Hello, crypto world. Here we are, Tuesday morning. Stock market's open, but I first have to address TikTok was rumored. There are reports that they were negotiating with Elon to sell to Elon. Well, TikTok has come out and flatly denied that as pure fiction. So it looks like TikTok's not interested in selling. And so please, if it does get banned, we'll all miss it, but please click on my link above to follow in YouTube. Now, these markets today were really remarkable. Initially, the PPI came out and stocks rose as the inflation report was lower inflation than expected, and the tech stocks started to rally. But it didn't last long. The NASDAQ, tech-heavy NASDAQ's now down, S&P's down, and we can see what happened when we look at, this is just the SPY. Look at the way it was up when the number comes out, and then it starts to back down, rallies a little bit, and now it's selling off. And this is the same thing with NVIDIA. It popped up, we had good numbers, the inflation report was positive, interest rates were dropping, and then, woo, after the initial response. Now when we get over to crypto, yes, it's green, which is positive, and remember that yesterday in the early morning, Bitcoin traded as low as 89,000. But today, and Bitcoin had a similar type journey, it popped all the way up to 97,200, I'm going to say, and then it started to back off. Good inflation number, interest rates drop, and the dollar goes down, and then it backs off again. However, in part because the dollar is still down significantly and far away, if you will, from the 110, we see crypto and Bitcoin in particular backed off from as high as it got because it dropped $1,300, round number, after it bounced all the way up to 97,000. But it's still up and we're staying green across the board. And here's the thing. Crypto is in a great moment of time because we know that we have a potential new set of regulations and approach to crypto. And in particular, we have the possibility that Bitcoin will be put on the balance sheet of the United States. And if that happens, I suspect there will be many countries that will follow, and because we have a limited supply of Bitcoin, and I have to mention this sadly, we all know that the fires in Los Angeles are horrible and people were desperate, and I suspect many people lost their hard drive or their computer or wherever they kept their seed phrase for their crypto wallet. So I suspect the supply of Bitcoin is diminished. Bottom line, if it becomes part of the reserve currency of the United States, if it stays on the books, we can see it, and I only use gold as a sort of measure. Gold is worth more or less 10 times the market cap of Bitcoin, so Bitcoin could appreciate significantly. Whether it's 5 times, 6 times, or even more than 10 times, nobody knows. But that's within the realm of possibility, and it could happen sooner rather than later if the president-elect were to even mention that he wanted to do that.